Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best robotic vacuums are probably one of the most sought-after home cleaning appliances for pet owners, and for good reason. They promise a hands-off approach to tackling the endless battle against shedding fur, dander, and those pesky little tract messes that our beloved companions seem to generate with impressive regularity, offering a convenient way to maintain a cleaner living environment without constant manual effort, thus freeing up valuable time for more enjoyable activities with your pets. Number 5. iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO. It intelligently maps your home and empties itself for up to 60 days, making cleaning effortless. Experience a superior clean with its premium 3-stage system and 10x power lifting suction. It tackles stubborn dirt and debris on all floor types. Forget about vacuuming for months. The clean base allows it to empty itself, holding dirt for up to 60 days. The updated app offers personalized scheduling and recommendations tailored to your needs. It learns your habits for a smarter clean. Control your cleaning with just your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. It even suggests extra cleans during high pollen or shedding seasons. Its advanced technology identifies dirtier areas, like high traffic spots, and cleans them more thoroughly for a deeper clean. What we like? This robot vacuum empties itself for up to 60 days, so you can forget about vacuuming for a long time. It also learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. If you have a busy lifestyle and want a truly hands-off cleaning experience, this is the one for you. Number 4. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Introducing the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, designed to make your life easier. Experience powerful cleaning like never before. Its incredible suction power tackles dirt and debris on all floor types. Even the toughest messes are no match for this device. With advanced navigation, it cleans in a precise grid, making multiple passes for deep cleaning coverage. No spot will be missed. This robot empties itself into a base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. Its HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of dust and allergens. Using LiDAR vision, it accurately maps your home and avoids obstacles. It adapts to everyday changes, cleaning day or night. Designed for homes with pets, it captures pet hair, dander, and allergens with ease. Enjoy a cleaner home effortlessly. Control it with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant, and enjoy up to 120 minutes of runtime. It even recharges and resumes cleaning. What we like? With its matrix clean navigation, this vacuum cleans in a precise grid, taking multiple passes for deep cleaning coverage. It also features a 30-day HEPA self-empty base and object detection. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that ensures no spot is missed and can handle tough messes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The robot vacuum is great for pet hair. It picks up a lot of fur. It has a good suction power and can clean carpets effectively. The design is sleek and it navigates around furniture easily. Number 3. AIRROBO PG100 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Introducing the AIRROBO PG100, a powerful grooming vacuum designed for your pets. It effectively tackles shedding and keeps your home clean. With an impressive 12,000 pascals of suction power, this device effortlessly collects loose hair. It ensures a thorough grooming experience for your furry friends. Designed with quiet operation in mind, it provides a stress-free grooming session for even the most sensitive pets. Your pet can relax while being groomed. The generous 2L dustbin means less frequent emptying, allowing for longer grooming sessions. You can groom your pet without interruption. This all-in-one kit simplifies pet grooming, making it easier to manage shedding and maintain a clean coat. It's the perfect tool for pet owners. What we like? This is a unique pet grooming vacuum kit with 12,000 pascals strong suction, designed to handle shedding and grooming hair. It also operates quietly. If you're a pet owner struggling with shedding and looking for a way to groom your pet while also cleaning up the mess, this product is specifically designed for you. What people say. This robotic vacuum is a game changer for pet owners, effectively picking up stubborn pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Its advanced navigation system ensures it covers every inch of the room without getting stuck, making cleaning effortless. The self-emptying dustbin is a huge convenience, reducing the frequency of manual emptying and keeping the vacuum running efficiently. Number 2. Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Experience a new level of clean with the Lefant M210 Pro. It offers increased suction, longer battery life, and quieter operation for a thorough clean every time. Tackle dust, pet hair, and debris with ease. Its powerful suction and dual-side brushes ensure your hardwood floors and low-pile carpets are spotless. This compact cleaner reaches under furniture and into tight spaces. Its advanced navigation technology helps it free itself if it gets stuck, ensuring complete coverage. Take control of your cleaning with the Lefant app. Schedule cleanings and choose from 6 different modes to suit your needs. Connect easily via enhanced Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Control it with the app, Google Home, or Alexa for ultimate convenience. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. When it's time to recharge, it does so quickly to get back to work. What we like? This robot vacuum boasts a slim design, allowing it to easily navigate under low furniture. It offers 6 cleaning modes and operates quietly. If you have a home with lots of furniture or tight spaces and prefer a quieter cleaning companion, this model is a great fit. What people say. It picks up pet hair effectively. The vacuum has a good suction power for cleaning up debris. Number 1. Shark Matrix Clean Robot Vacuum AV2511AE. Experience incredibly powerful suction that captures dirt, debris, and pet hair. It's the ultimate solution for a deep, everyday clean on all your floors. This robot vacuum uses a precision grid pattern to clean messes thoroughly. It ensures complete whole home coverage for a visibly deeper clean every time. Enjoy up to 60 days of cleaning without emptying. The bagless base holds dirt and debris, offering long-lasting convenience for your home. Designed with pet owners in mind, it tackles fur and allergens with ease. Strong suction, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a self-empty base make pet hair cleanup effortless. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it automatically recharges when needed. It then resumes cleaning right where it left off, ensuring uninterrupted coverage. The self-cleaning brush roll lifts debris and hair from all surfaces. It helps prevent hair wrap, delivering powerful and uninterrupted performance. Utilizing 360 degrees lidar navigation, it quickly maps your home and adapts to changes. Enjoy efficient, accurate cleaning with object detection, even in the dark. What we like? This robot vacuum offers a 60-day self-empty capacity and a self-cleaning brush roll, making pet hair management a breeze. Its precision mapping ensures efficient cleaning. If you have pets and want a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution for tackling pet hair on all floor types, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This robotic vacuum is amazing at picking up pet hair, even from carpets. The design is sleek and it navigates around furniture with ease. Its suction power is impressive, leaving floors noticeably cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.